Hello, fragrance specialists! My name is Chance, welcome to my guide, and thank you so much for checking out another one of our essential oil breakdowns. Today we're going to be going over ginger root, which is super exciting. I personally don't have all that much experience with ginger root in the form of the essential oil, but I have taken ginger supplements throughout my life, and I do like eating ginger with sushi as well, so it's certainly been a factor, and I'm looking forward to getting this oil as well. In any case, before we dive into the profile here, always consult a doctor before use. Now that I'm actually thinking about it, I don't know how popular the essential oil is. I know there have been a lot of studies that say it's quite effective, but I don't know. I haven't seen it in a lot of recipes. I haven't seen it in a lot of aromatherapists' libraries. I haven't really seen too much about it in the popular spheres. But that being said, let's dive into the profile anyways, and who knows, it might be particularly useful to you. The scent is most commonly described as having a earthy, woody, sweet, and warm aroma. Its most common uses are aching muscles, arthritis, nausea, indigestion, poor circulation, and nervous exhaustion. Which is pretty cool. So, I guess to certain people, particularly sports athletes, this is going to be super useful. Under method of extraction, you'll see steam distilled, and it blends well with basil, cinnamon bark, clove bed, fennel seed, lavender, oregano, nutmeg, and peppermint. Check out the playlist for all those videos as well. And under notes, it may cause sensitization, which, makes sense. Anytime you're dealing with an essential oil at its higher levels, it's always a factor, so just make sure you're practicing proper dilution. Now, with all that out of the way, let's take a moment here and dive into its history. The first written records of ginger comes from the Analects of Confucius, written in China during the Warring States period, which is usually between 475 and 221 before Christ. In it, Confucius was said to eat ginger with every meal. In 406 AD, the monk Faxin wrote that ginger was grown in pots and carried on Chinese ships to prevent scurvy, which is really interesting. Ginger is a very popular spice used worldwide. Ginger can be used for a variety of food or medicine items such as vegetables, candy, soda, pickles, and alcoholic beverages. Once again, it's really hard not to encounter ginger. I really do like ginger supplements, same with ginseng supplements, they're two of my favorites. But, it makes sense that it's an essential oil as well. Now let's go over a quick and easy DIY recipe. Today we're going to be taking a look at warm massage oil. The recipe is 2 drops ginger root, 3 drops black pepper, 4 drops cardamom, 1 drop cedarwood, and 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil. Mix it together and massage into cold limbs. That's really all there is to it. It's a relatively easy one. I like the massage oils. They're usually pretty good, and the medicinal benefits are certainly hard to deny as well. In any case, let me know what you think of ginger root down beneath in the comment section, and if you'd like to add it to your library, please do check out Rocky Mountain Oils, links down beneath in the description. It goes a long way towards supporting the channel. In any case, be sure to mention any recipes you have down there as well, and any thoughts, questions, concerns. That being said, I hope you have a great day, and as always, may all of your future endeavors smell divine.